Jain friends, yesterday we have learned four words of preamble or four keywords of preamble of constitution, and those words were sovereign, secular, socialist, democratic. We know that while studying the constitution, we use this preamble so that we can have the exact knowledge of constitution. So today we are going to learn more five words of constitution, and these words are republic, justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. So if we say that why these words are very much important, the constitution makers wants to make a constitution which is important for all areas or all citizens of India, respect their region, class, creed, caste, their place of birth. So they want the union of India. So these words are important while studying constitution. If we start with republic and democratic or sovereign, these words are, I think, similarly equal, or their meaning is 90% same. We know that sovereign means no other country have authority on our nation. Democratic means the people's will is important in political, economic, or social areas. When we talk about the republic means the head of the state is elected directly or indirectly by the citizen or people of nation. And here we know that the head of government is Prime Minister of India and the head of state is President of India. Before 1950, there were viceroy and governor generals. But when we enforced our constitution, from that day onwards, we make a constitutional post, and that is president. This post is very important because the head of state is a constitutional head. He is not government head or a real head. If we talk about republic, so republic is a country where the will of people is important and the head of state is elected by them directly or indirectly. Some countries have monarchy. The Britain is monarch. There they have a king or queen. After the death of their king or queen, the post succeeded by the post is succeeded by hereditary. So this is there in their constitution. So this is a republic. If we talk about justice, so justice, equality, fraternity, and liberty, these four words are important while studying the Indian nation, the Union of India. Justice means the nyaya, and here justice of political, economic, and social. What is justice? Justice is the thing that it says everyone or every citizen of India is equal before the law and everyone has equal protection of law. The political justice means any citizen who is eligible, he can have any post of constitutional, statutory, or legal in respect of their caste, creed, class, their place of birth. They can have any public office. The economic justice means the equal distribution of wealth and the value amongst the rich and the poor. We need to feel that, so that the government levies taxes on rich people, so that they can distribute wealth in equal manner. The social justice means previously there were untouchability, so many other bad rituals were in our country or our nation. But in our constitution we have said that from Article 14 to 18 that every citizen is equal, every citizen has equal protection of law. We removed the untouchability by Article 17 and we removed the titles given by Britishers or Rai Bahadur, Raja, Raj Rajeshwar, those all titles by Article 18. So now in our country, the Ganguteli and Raja Bhoj both are equal. So this is a justice, and justice provides equality and liberty to everyone. If we talk about liberty means freedom, and here freedom is given to every individual and he can have his freedom in social, economic, political, in every area. If everyone encourages on his freedom, he can go to Supreme Court or High Court and he can file a petition and say that the society or the other individual is encouraging on my freedom and I want protection from state. Then state will provide him protection. But here liberty or freedom is not absolute. It is given in Article 14 to 18 and in various other fundamental rights. Like here, liberties of faith. Faith is related to the religion. And we have Article 25 to 28. The Constitution says that every individual has their own religion and they can have their religion, they can pray, they can spread it. So there is no restriction on these activities. But for the greater good, they can restrain some freedom. So liberty is freedom and it's not absolute. State can restrain it for the greater good. If we talk about the equality, so equality means the absence of special privileges to any class or any section of society. Equality means in our nation, everyone is equal, everyone has same rights, same duties, so they can live here in a very good manner and they can have their social equal and political ideas, thoughts, expression, they can express it in a very huge manner. While studying equality, we need to know about the Article 14 to 18. Here, the Constitution stated that everyone is equal before law, everyone has equal protection of law, there is no untouchability, they removed titles, everyone has freedom, everyone has freedom of faith, everyone has freedom of expression, everyone can reside in country in every part. So this is equality. No caste or religion or creed has special privileges over any other class or caste or creed or religion. Equality is one other thing that says opportunity to everyone, equal opportunity to every citizen of country. If you are eligible, then you can have any public post. So equal opportunity also there in our Constitution. Fraternity is a keyword of preamble of Constitution, and this keyword is very important in today's era. And why it is? We heard that somewhere happened mob lynching. So these type of things are happening in today's era, and it was previously also. So to remove this type of things or matters, we need to develop the fraternity. And fraternity means brotherhood among every people. In our school days, we used to say a pledge that we all Indians are my brothers and sisters. This pledge provides the brotherhood amongst all students, and it is in our Constitution. It's very important that one has to know about its fundamental rights, and everyone knows about its fundamental right, but we forget about our fundamental duties. So Article 51A says that the citizen of India has some fundamental duties, and if we carry that, then the feeling of brotherhood will automatically develop amongst citizens, among people of India. So these all things are there, these all keywords are there. We learned all 9 keywords of Indian Constitution, and those are sovereign, secular, socialist, democratic, republic, justice, equality, fraternity, liberty. So these 9 words are there. Fraternity, liberty and equality are taken from socialist country, Russian Revolution. But it's fine having some knowledge or taking some knowledge from other nation and using it according to our situation and our time. So friends, we learned the all 9 keywords of preamble. Thanks for your time. Jai Hind.